Where'd he go? Where'd it go? Hey. Whoa. Where'd it go? Who's gonna get it? That's Little Nut. How about that, Artie? Oh, you Little Nut. What do you got? Get it, Little Nut. Oh, wow. That's amazing. Wow. Where'd he go? Around the corner? Here, Eddie. What is that, Little Nut? Where'd it go? Where's Coconut? Huh? Wow! You know what that is? It's a little ball of kindness. Yeah. It's a ball of kindness. You know where that ball of kindness came from? Tim Windsor. Yeah. Well, not, you know who Tim Windsor is? Huh? Tim Windsor's a guy that is just full of kindness. Look at that. Everybody loves kindness. Wow. Wasn't that cool? Everybody loves kindness. Get it, Artie. Get it. Get some kindness. That's Little Nut. Which way did Coco go? Huh? Little Nut, where'd he go? Get the kindness. Yeah. Here. Where's Coconut? Way out there. Yeah. What do you think of that, Artie? So you know what the plan is? We got a plan. Yeah, with the kindness ball. Yeah. What do you think it is? Huh? Is it inside there? Yeah, the kindness ball went in there. That's wild. So, my dear, dear, sweet friend, SpecsAppeal, as a supporter, Tim Windsor's gonna get 1,000 subscribers by Christmas. December 31st, deadline. Right, Hardy? Where's the kindness ball? Wow. Let's do it for Tim Windsor, huh? We can all subscribe so he can get to 1,000. Yeah. Let's help Tim out. Look at that Little Nut. Yeah, I don't know where Coconut is. Hey, guess what? There's Flippy. Hi, did you see it, Flip? Hey, let's show Flippy kindness. Hey, where's the kindness now? Wow, you don't love kindness? Flippy Dippy. Flippy's a shy boy, right? We don't see Flippy in the daytime. Here's Flippy, look. Wow. the kindness ball, Flippy. Ready? Look at that. Hardy loves kindness. Who doesn't love kindness, huh? I'm very kind to everybody I meet. And Tim, I just want you to know, you are a kind guy, and we're gonna get you your 1,000 subs, dude. Little Nut, Hardy, Coconut, little ball of kindness. Yeah, we got nothing to lose, right? Yeah. Ready? Kindness? Ready? Come on. Go get kindness. Wow. There's Little Nut. Yeah, you already got a crush on kindness. Who doesn't like kind people, huh? We all do. There's Flippy. Oh, there's Coco. Coco's hiding behind Flippy. Wow, Coco. We saw your eyes poke out. You want the kindness ball, don't you? Yeah? Come on, Little Nut. Which way to the kindness ball? Coconut's in the other room. Yep. We saw him poking out. Yeah. Coconut. Don't you want your kind treatment? Yeah. Hardy does. Yeah. What you doing, dude? Huh? You love kindness. Show Coco. Yeah. Coco ran upstairs is where he went, right? Coco. Doesn't he want some of this? Wow, Hardy, that ain't like Coco. Huh? Where is kindness ball now? Huh? We're not gonna have it for Coco? You can have it. Hey, there's Arrow. Ah, Arrow wants some kindness. Hi. What's up, Mr. Arrow? Where's your brother Smith? Yeah. You like to sniff, huh? Saying hi to Daddy? Yep, that's Arrow. His brother is Smith. I was supposed to go see Aerosmith in concert. My spouse couldn't make it because of health issues. And I went out because I was mad for having incredibly awesome fucking seats to see Aerosmith up front, up close and personal. I ended up having to go get Arrow and his brother Smith. I was so mad. But kindness, Tim, is what it's all about. Instead of being mad, I was kind and I rescued little Arrow and Smith, twin brothers. Right? Yeah. And where's Smith? Where's Smith at? Yeah, I don't know. Smith is hiding too. Whoa. Don't you want to get pretty? Huh? Is it time to get pretty, Arrow? Huh? You want to get pretty? Get prettied up for Tim and all the subscribers? Yeah. Look, here's the kindness ball again. Hey, how come it ain't flashing? What happened to kindness? Yeah. Somebody played with it a little too rough, huh? Well, don't give up on kindness yet, Hardy. Yeah, we'll figure it out. We're gonna all get him his 1,000 subscribers, right, Little Nut? Yeah. Arrow, Hardy. And I am not sure which way Smith could be other than in a secret location. Alright, we're gonna take a little path down here, and we're gonna find out that Smith likes to be kept in there. Yeah, that's Smith. Smithy is a big boy, right? Do you like kindness, Smith? Hey, look at that. That's your kindness ball. Yeah, Tim Windsor gave you that. Yeah. See, Smith don't look too big under there. Till we really check out Chunky Monkey Smith, Arrow's brother. Right? You came from the concert night. Yeah. Right. Are you a big boy? He's been a big guy his whole life. Big old Smith. And he's a character. He likes to be brushed too, right, Big Smithy? You chunky monkey? Yeah. You big floof? Yeah. Hey. We somehow broke the kindness ball trying to be kind. Isn't that crazy? Well, I have a backup. Because you can never have enough kindness, right, Specs? Tim Windsor has been Specs' earliest subscribers. You believe that, Smith? Huh? How about you, little nut? That's a long time. Yeah. Specs started her channel in 2005. She's been working very hard at it, and so has Tim. So, Tim, we're gonna get you there, buddy. This is Arrow again, and Hardy, and Little Nut. We don't know which way Coco went. Where's the ball going, Smith? Come on, ball of kindness. Ready? One last run through. Ready? Here we go. Hardy's first. Where'd it go? Yeah. Where'd it go? There it is. You got the ball of kindness? Hardy is a very hardy, kind boy. There's his little heart, just so you know. Yep. One of Blackie's babies with his little heart. We all love Blackie's babies, right? Yeah. Wanna get your ball? Yeah. By the way, just so that we're clear on this, Hardy, okay? Just so we're clear. I had to tell SpecsAppeal about something. It was embarrassing, but I took an overdose of my Viagra. Hardy, I'm telling you. I took an overdose of my Viagra. It was an extremely hard week of my life. But thankfully, Specs was able to still get me to roll out of bed. Oh, you smelled that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, that's MrZonnie. Oh, guess what, Hardy? There's MrZonnie. After having his Viagra, while thinking about Specs. Right. You know I love you so hard. Right, little nut? We all love SpecsAppeal so hard. Yeah. I don't know where Coconut went off to. He did disappear tonight for some reason. I don't know where Coconut goes. Little Nut's such a pretty boy, too, right? He is a total Little Nut. His big trick is he jumps on my back when I'm bent over, like scooping his litter pans or getting him his food. And he likes to lay down on me and not let me stand up. Right, Little Nut? Besides going outside with your big whiskers. I know. Good boy. You are a good boy. So, Little Nut, I think we're going to close with just be a little kind. Be kinder than you'd have to be. It's not going to cost you anything. And it just might make someone else's day a lot better. We sure love that, huh? You know, I did just clean this glass today, so it should smell pretty good, Hardy. Yeah. Remember, everybody, let's get Tim Windsor up to 1,000 subs by Christmas. Very, very, very kind dude. Yeah, you love Tim, right, Arrow? Yeah, you love Tim? Are you kind to him? Oh. Oh, no! Arrow found MrZonnie. We love you all, right? But don't forget, everybody loves Blackie. And that's the mommy of everybody here except Arrow and Smith. Remember, I love you.